Sony just did something no flagship brand dares to do in 2025. And honestly, it might be genius. While Apple, Samsung, and Google all killed the headphone jack, Sony is bringing it back to its strongest phone yet. This isn't a rumor. The Xperia 1 Mark VIII just passed through the US FCC, and the filing reveals everything. Wi-Fi 7, 5G, a 3.5mm audio jack, and wireless charging, all confirmed in a single document. Design leaks show a completely redesigned square rear camera module, a huge departure from the Xperia 1.7. This bold new design promises enhanced low-light performance and sharper detail, a promising step forward. It'll come in 3 colorways: black, green, and purple. That purple is going to be insane in person. On the back, a triple rear camera system with an LED flash. Sony's camera game has always been elite. The Mark VII launched in May last year, so an announcement for the Mark VIII could be just weeks away. Expect the Mark VIII to upgrade the Mark VII's already monstrous Snapdragon 8 Elite with 12 GB of RAM. The Mark VII launched at £1,399, roughly ₹1,56,000. The Mark VIII will likely be in the same territory. The Mark VII had a 5,000 mAh battery. If Sony keeps that, with wireless charging added, that's a serious combo. 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. Sony's displays are some of the most color accurate on any phone. Here's what makes this crazy. Every major brand ditched the headphone jack to seem premium. Sony's flipping that narrative. For audiophiles, music producers, and anyone who refuses to deal with Bluetooth lag, Sony just became the only flagship option. And they didn't sacrifice anything to keep the jack. Wireless charging is also coming. Sony found a way to have both. Now, let's talk about their biggest competition right now. Xiaomi is cooking up the 18 Pro, and it's going full AI. Leaked renders show a dedicated AI button on the side of the phone. One tap, instant access to every AI feature. That button ties into smart home control, connected car features, and Xiaomi's own AI assistant, all from one click. The 18 Pro is also rumored to pack 2 200-megapixel cameras, one telephoto, one macro. That's borderline absurd. And the battery, 7,000 mAh or more. That's not a phone battery. That's a power bank that makes calls. Pair that with 100-watt wired fast charging, and you're looking at a full charge in well under an hour. The back panel is expected to carry a secondary display, just like the 17 Pro, for notifications and, yes, even games. The Xiaomi 17 Pro started at around 75,000 rupees. The 18 Pro will likely be in the same ballpark, half the Xperia's price. So here's where we land. Sony is doubling down on hardware utility. Xiaomi is betting everything on AI and battery. If you're a creator, audiophile, or camera nerd, Sony is made for you. If you're a power user who lives in AI tools, Xiaomi wins. Important, none of this is official yet. These are leaks and FCC filings. Treat them as very educated guesses. But with the FCC filing live and Sony's historical timeline, an official Xperia 1 Mark VIII announcement is imminent. My honest take? Sony keeping the headphone jack on a £1,400 phone isn't gimmicky, it's a genuine statement of confidence. The internet is already going wild. The headphone jack crowd has been waiting for a flagship to justify staying wired. When Sony officially drops the Xperia 1 Mark VIII, I'll have the full breakdown ready. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Peace.